My name is Sabia Rana. I am a postdoctoral associate in the lab of Dr. David Fuller here at the McKnight Brain Institute. So the primary focus of my work is to study the neuromotor control of breathing and how injured states or disease states can impact breathing. And we're particularly trying to harness the neuroplastic nature of the spinal cord. So if the brain can learn, so can the spinal cord. So we're hoping to use some of those neuroplastic mechanisms to help the spinal cord to relearn how to breathe. A large proportion of people with spinal cord injuries occur these at the cervical level, and they have significant respiratory compromise. And this often results in respiratory diseases like pneumonia, etc. It impacts their quality of life. And we hope that some of the work that we're doing in our lab can help alleviate the respiratory complications in the spinal cord injury population. UF is a great place to conduct research because I am part of a center that brings together a group of scientists who are driven towards a very similar goal. And we all have projects that overlap, and I think this brings an incredible amount of collaborative opportunities. There are a lot of scientists who are doing some very exciting research, which I have personally been able to benefit from, and there are different avenues that I've been able to get myself exposed to, which I wouldn't have been otherwise. One of my favorite things to do outside lab is actually travel. I think academia, in a way, sort of brings these two passions of science and travel together because you can travel for scientific conferences, and I take every opportunity that I can to visit local, national, and international destinations if I can. It's been a little bit of a damper with COVID, but we hope to do a road trip all along the south of France, so hopefully we can put that back in the books once it's safe to travel.